Anginomamkholeka, abomuntu owazi Ndumiso. Mengamazi uMamkholeka, akakaze angene ezulwini ekuseni Sunday, kudlala uMamkholeka abone livuleka izwi.
Mama Mkholeka. Sikhona nijabulile.
Siyaphila. Hayi cha. Ubuzokwenzani la? Isikhathi sihlangene ngani lana?
Today is Women's Day. This day is about us.
Yeah.
It cannot happen without us. So it's about us. So kumnandi because basethina. So omama bear basethi. Yes, so we're here.
Isithendo lusuku kuwena njenga nokhuleka nje. Isithini?
Olusuku lithi abangaphambili abasilwelayo. We're enjoying the fruits of their labor. Bakhona bangena ejele, bakhona babethwayo, bakhona babulawayo, bakhona bangatshayo. But in all those struggles, today, imisebenzi yabo, we're eating the fruits.
Yeah. Yini ke thina abantu besifazane abamanje esingayenza ukuze nathi sikwazi ukubamba uqopho olunye usuku lokuthi ngosuku lwa 1956 abesifazane benza nje izithelo zakhona thina sakwazi ukwenza kanje.
To all women,
Yes.
be financially independent. Yeah. Why I'm saying that? Other people are getting emotionally, mentally, and physically abused because they are not financially independent.
Yes.
Because there's no man that can abuse you in any way because you've got an option exactly to get out of that because you are financially independent. So abanye abantu bayasinyamezela isimo singavumi ngoba nako ethi ngizothenga ngani impuphu abantwana bazaya ngani lona esikolweni. Yabona njengoba ndicula nje ndiyathengisa futhi on the side.
Yeah.
Ndiyathengisa
Ungidayisele kwamanje ngoku.
Ndiyathengisa mna ndiyahamba sana ndiye erenki kosomatekisi ama-owner nditsho ii-products zami endiziphethe ukuthi ndiyathengisa. And ke bayamthanda umuntu ohloniphayo bathi makoti hayi uphetheni namhlanje. Bathanda umuntu ohlonipha. So I go there, I sell my products.
Isibonelo sabantu besifazane abakwazi ukuxhumana noNkulunkulu, abakwazi ukukhuleka, kodwa futhi abakwazi ukuthobeka kubantu, ababayincwadi, ngoba baningi abantu ababukela kwena. Soloko ungakwazi. Umuntu wesifazane.
Ngigcina ukuyesu. Otherwise ngaphandle kukaYesu ngenye into I could have turned out the other way. I could have turned out the wrong way, but Jesus kept me grounded. Jesus kept me grounded. I could have turned out the other way around because I wasn't living in a world where izinto zomhlaba bezingekho. But Jesus kept me grounded. Bendiba nenhloni zoba benenhloni zento isepha ukuthi ndithi Nkosi yami ngeke. Hayi mali ngabani.
Awusiphi umyalezo ongawusho kuyintsha yabesifazane ekhona namhlanje?
Number 1. Xa usongvethiwe okokuqala yinto. Utshadile. Unyamezele. Uza kuphinda lwesibili. Unyamezele. Uza kuphinda lwesithathu. Kanti uqhelile. Sukunyamezela ubheke. Sunyamezela because uzawulala. If ukubethile namhlanje uzawulala. Khawufunde ukuba umuntu usengexesha uyophilela abantwana bakho.
Sisala eJeffrey Zungu Sport Field la uNdunankulu esimeme khona ezogubha usuku lwabantu besifazane. Silandele umculo wokholo sihle naye ukholeka. Sayimina itshitshilo Mgonyana. Uphinde nje kubeke nokuyala abantu abasha especially abantu besifazane. Indlela asebeyiphatha ngayo.
Uyabona phayana endlini. Ndinentombi zini. Omina 26, omina 19. Yabona ikhona lapha xa ukhulisa abantwana edolophini. Aba basemakhaya bathi ndinentombi omina 26, omina 19.
Yeah.
Ewe. So isizwe zoza izogana kwami. Uzayikhupha inkomo kanina. Ihamba nje kahle.
Ihamba ngeenyawo.
Eyami nje. Eyami izabe ihamba ngeenyawo ayikho mokale nizabe ikhona sana lapho because na 26 lo omnye 19, so iyaba yi-choice yakhe. Uyayibona? So abantwana abancinci mabaziphathe kakuhle, bangajarhi izinto zokulala ngoba ukulala kuvuli, uza kufumana and uzokholwa akoba
Akusafuni.
right ke. So bangangameli sex. Young people mustn't rush for them to have sex because once they get married, they will have enough of this until ibaqike. So don't rush it.
Siyabonga kakhulu.
So siyabacela bazigcine Nkosi yami.